guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. So today we're going to learn about ratio and proportion, which is a very common topic in mathematics. So let's get started. So first of all, we're going to learn exactly what does ratio and the word proportion mean. So ratio means ratio compares part to part. For example, we say 2 to every 3 or 2 to every 2 for every 3. So for example, you need to make a salad or a salad, whatever. For that you need 2 apples and 3 orange. So the ratio is 2 is to 3. So if you take apples 4, then you need how many oranges? 6. 2 to every 3. So if you have 2, you need 3. You have 4, you have 6. If you have 6, you get 9 oranges. Proportion compares a part to a whole. 2 out of 5, like a fraction. Proportion is like a fraction. 2 out of 5. So in a salad you have five ingredients. So out of them, two are fruits. Yeah, and the rest of them are like vegetables and all, or a vegetable, or whatever. This just like a fraction. 2 out of 5. Next. Now ratio compares part to part, we know that. So what is the ratio of red to white? So guys, just make sure that red to white, if you're said, then you have to first put the red, then white. So we have 1 2 3 4 red compared to 2 4 6 8 white. So ratio is 4 is to 8. If we simplify it, we get 1 is to 2. 4 is to 8 equals to 1 is to 2. And now it says what is the ratio of white to red. So white is how many are white? 2 4 6 8. 8 is to 4. That is same as 2 is to 1. So we can write 1 red to every 1 red to every 2 white, simplified, or 2 white to and the second question we're going to answer 2 white to every 1 red, or 1 to 2, 2 to 1, or 1 to 2 in the number, or 2 to 1, or the 1 to 2. That is how we exactly write the ratios. 2 to 1. All of them are correct, but this is like the most accurate. Now this is proportion. Proportion, we already know the proportion compares a part to the whole. Now we say what proportion of this shape is red. So we have how many total? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. You have 12. And out of them, how many are? 4 out of 12 are red. So we can write 4 out of 12. That is 1 out of 3. And white, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That means 8 out of 12. That means 2 upon 3. Simplified. So we can write 4 reds out of 12 squares in total. 8 whites out of 12 squares in total. 4 out of 12, 8 out of 12. There are many methods of writing. 4 upon 12, 8 upon 12. 4 in number, 4 upon 12, 8 upon 12. And then this horizontal one. 4 upon 12, 8 upon 12. When you simplify, you get 1 is to 3, 2 is to 3. So guys, in simplifying, you need to find like a 1 times table which goes to both of the numbers, because like 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12. So you have to figure out. If you can't simplify, then you just write the answer. But if you're said to, if you can simplify the answer, then you have to. In some schools, simplify is not taught. It's taught in higher classes. So if you're not taught simplifying, you don't have to write a simplify. If you're asked to, then you have to. Next, now we're gonna solve a SAT question. I hope we know what is SAT. Mary is a presenter of a weekly radio show. She plays 5 new songs for every 2 old songs. Last week she played 15 new songs. How many songs did she play altogether? So let's see. Now we highlight the keywords. 5 new songs for every 2 old songs. So 5 is to 2. And we have 15 new songs. Like 5 is to 2, and 15 new. Now how many old? We have to figure out that. Now we know that 5 times 3 is 15 multiplied by 3. So we have to also multiply 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So that means she played 15 new songs, 6 old songs. That is 21 in total. She played 6 old songs and 15 new songs. She played 21 songs altogether. So I hope you get it, and if you have any doubts, don't hesitate to write in the comments, because this videos we're learning. Of course, in learning you have a lot of doubts. And now this is another question. On an adventure quest, the hero fights werewolves and vampires in a ratio 2:5. So werewolves 2, vampires 5. So for every 2 werewolves he fights 5 vampires. If he fights 28 werewolves in a total, how many vampires does he fight? So we written first the ratio is 2:5 and we are given 28 werewolves. So how we multiplied by 14. So 5 times 14 again. 5 multiplied by 14. That is 70. So the answer for this is 70. How many vampires did he fight? He fought 70 vampires. Next, in Samantha's garden, the ratio of sunflower to marigold is 4:5. If Samantha has 45 flowers in total, how many sunflowers does she have? So first, for this question, we have to add the ratio. That is 4 plus 5 equals to 9. Then total divided by 9. 45 divided by 9 is 5. And then we get the answer as 5. Now 5 times 4, because she's asking sunflower and the ratio for sunflower is 4. So 5 times 4. If it asks you for marigold, then 5 times 5. And the answer is 20. That is no option, so we are correct. Next. Oh, this is the end of the video, guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out any of my new videos. Thank you so much for watching.